work for these people who are in need.
Please do come wherever there is a gathering somewhere or a meeting to find out and make it a deal.
Every first Saturday of the month, we get together at Friends Meeting House in the basement, which is in town. So they come together for the Solidarity Social, where people share food, which is free, share drinks, which is free. And quite often we celebrate the cultural foods. People come in cultural costumes, so we celebrate that too.
People who've been refused asylum or immigration case can campaign against the government. This is because the Home Office, they have a power of discretion. Despite what it says in the law that you may have failed, the Home Secretary can still allow you to win if it's in the public interest. So what an anti-deportation campaign is to show that public interest. Sending postcards, sending petitions, sending letters to the Home Office will influence the public interest, influence the Home Secretary to allow you to stay.
My name is Emma Gin, like the drink, and I work for the National Coalition of Anti-Deportation Campaigns. Anti-deportation campaigns are necessary for the person in question to be able to challenge the fact that they're being told to leave the country. And it's all about mobilising people in the public to do things that will influence the Home Office to change their mind about individual cases.
So it's really important to get a campaign group, get a lot of supporters and get the support shown to the government that we want you to stay, we don't want you to be returned to your country.
No Borders is about challenging unjust immigration controls. So we agree that people need to fight individual campaigns and people need to be helped who are in desperate situations. That work has to be done, but it's also important to challenge the fact that these laws exist. We wrote a spoof newspaper called The Hate Mail, which is showing the real messages behind the tabloid media and sending up the tabloid media, showing up really the dark messages behind that propaganda. We also go to Dallas Court, which is a point of disappearance for many asylum seekers. No Borders is part of a European network of groups of people who are saying no to Fortress Europe. There are groups all over this country as well. It's also linked to something called No One Is Illegal, which has got a manifesto and the similar principles of organising as No Borders. In Manchester, if you want to get involved, we meet last Tuesday of every month at the basement, 24 Lever Street in central Manchester, and we've got a website. If you Google Manchester No Borders, you'll find it.
Ordinary people, as it were, really can change the fate of people's immigration situation here. So, for example, before I started working for the National Coalition, I was just minding my own business selling